Single ka ba? Married? OFW? Or parent? Bisan man sa imong season sa kinabuhi, naagyoy dapat adjustment sa imong financial plan. Hi, I'm Daddy Ray, Life and Wealth Advisor, husband, and proud tatay. And today, I'll share what changes in your plan depende sa imong stage. 1. Single. Focus on building emergency fund and investments. Walay daghang responsibilidad, so maximize your savings and start early. 2. Married. Shared goals na ang labanan. Budgeting together and protecting each other with insurance becomes a must. 3. OFW. You're earning abroad for your family, pero ang challenge kay consistency. Secure savings and investments at home para dili mawala imong sakripisyo. 4. Parent. Your plan now includes education fund, long-term protection, and retirement because love means preparing for your kids' future, not passing them your burdens. Single, married, OFW or parent, lahi-lahi og plano pero ang goal pareho ra, peace of mind. Kung gusto nimo mahibaw-an unsay sang angay i-prioritize sa imong season karon, message me today. This is Daddy Ray, reminding you to protect your peace, your plan, and your people, empowering the future, one family at a time.